All right, let's taste it. Cheers. That tastes very tangerine-y.
Hey, it's Rue. In this video, I have a special guest here with me, my friend, Toby.
Toby Tablet, what's up?
All right, so in this video, he is going to show us his version of the Tangerine Whiskey Sour. So are you guys ready to make this drink with him?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Here's what we're gonna need. We need some equipment, something like this to measure your stuff. Squeeze the juice. You're gonna need a tangerine or two, stir, paring knife, a shaker, egg, usually the non-pasteurized brown ones if you have that. Simple syrup, bourbon of your choice, cherries optional. What we're gonna do is put all the ingredients into the shaker. First, 2 ounces of whiskey, 3 bourbon, the tangerine, get all the juices in there, no seed. Put your egg, make sure no yolk goes in here. Simple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce. We'll shake all the ingredients for 10 seconds. Dry shake. Add your ice, shake for another 30. With your cup. Garnish. And there you go. Extra foam. There goes your tangerine sour.
Thank you, Toby, for this drink. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.